Wagwan, beautiful people. I am Chef B. If you're new here, welcome. Wagwan. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So for today's video, we'll be working with OMGHerHair.com, and of course, as usual, I'm going to show you guys the goodies that you can get on the website so that you can install your wig to perfection. So the wig that we're working with today, y'all know I love me a good curly unit, and look at this wig straight out of the package. This is their 360 HD lace wig. I got it in 20 inches, 180% density. It is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, everything done for you. Like, look at that lace, look at that lace, look at that curl. The curls are absolutely giving, and I'm excited because I just love a curly unit. So I'm doing a shed test, running my fingers straight through the unit so that you can see that there's no shedding with this unit. I'm not even gonna cut this clip. I just need y'all to see how smoothly my hand actually goes through this unit without hassle. Like, that is quality. And then of course we have the band in the back that will help you to wear this wig to perfection. It will help with the snug fit without giving you a headache, just nice and snug. Now I'm going to be using my EBIN lace tint. Y'all know I don't install no unit without this lace tint because I am obsessed with it. I love how melted it makes my hair look, and it just gives scalp like look. So I'm just gonna cut off the lace in the back, and this is what the wig is looking like once that lace tint is dry. So I'm just gonna adjust the band in the back to install the unit. Guys, like, look how laid this is. Like, this lace is super transparent. Like, the only way you can wear a wig cap with this is if you're doing the ball cap method. I could not wear a wig cap with this because you will be seeing the whole front of it, because I don't usually do ball cap method. So I'm like, you know what, we're gonna do it without the wig cap. But if you want to do it ball cap, babes, because it is transparent. This is quality lace, you hear me? So now we're going to go in with my EBIN spray. You know, this is the only thing I use. I don't like to do nothing crazy with my edges, child. Like, I need my edges. So I'm going to bring down the lace, and then we're going to use the blow dryer just for a couple of seconds to dry that down. The EBIN dries down so quickly, so easily. It's beginner friendly, like anybody can use it. Now once that's dried down, we're gonna use the tension method to melt our lace. So we're gonna use this band to tie it down so that it could dry down and melt to perfection. In the meantime, we're just gonna play around with the hair a bit, you know, get the curls to be more defined. I'm gonna use this EBIN lace mousse. It's a lace mousse, but girl, when I tell you I use this mousse for everything, I use it to do my edges, I use it to define the curls in the unit. Like, I use it for everything because it's that good. It's sticky without feeling gooey on your hands, without leaving the hair crunchy. It's just perfect. So I'm just gonna do a zigzag motion while cutting off the excess lace and making sure that I cut behind the ear so that the lace can lie naturally. Now, because of my hair lining, I need this to match my natural hairline, and it's coming down a little bit too far down on my forehead. So we're going to remove some of the hair in the front and just cut off that excess lace. So you want to do it in a zigzag motion because you don't want it to cut it straight across. Now I'm going to use some bronzing powder just to clean up my parting and just to make it look uniform, especially since I'm wearing makeup. I just need that all to look like scalp, look blended, and all that good stuff. Then I'm gonna use a little bit more of that mousse and put it on the front, even though the hair is already laid back, laid back. I'm just gonna put a little bit more mousse on there and then tie it down once more with the band for the tension method of melting down the hair. Then I'm gonna go in with that same mousse and I'm just gonna apply it all over the hair just to give it a more defined look, and it's also gonna give some shine to the hair so it doesn't look dull. The curls look juicy and popping. So I was contemplating if I wanted to do some swoops on the side or a little bit of edges and whatnot. So I end up not exactly doing it. I did it like a free-ish type of way. So it's not necessarily uniform. It's just like a little swoop situation, but not really. Just something like carefree, just because I felt like it. Okay, also this is my finished look. Let me know what you think about this unit. I got it in 20 inches. It is a deep curly 360 lace frontal. Absolutely loving it. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to follow me on all major social media platforms at @𝐷𝐻𝐵. All the details will be in the description box for you. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.